For the removal of the headliner in the S-Class Coupe, simplify your work by lowering the windows first. Then open the front sunshade, as well as the rear. Continue with the C-pillar trim. Remove the edge guard here first. Then unclip this cover and remove the nut behind it. Now you can remove the guide rail of the upper trim. Then pull the tab of the upper C-pillar trim. This way the upper and lower trim can be easily unclipped. Do the same on the passenger side. The next step is to remove the service flap of the headliner and to disconnect the electrical connector. We continue on the A-pillar. Again, remove the left and the right trim piece. First, take off the cover and remove the underlying nut. Then you can take the trim up and out. In order for you to remove the overhead control panel, you need to customize a special tool. A thin piece of metal is sufficient with a maximum width of 5.5 centimeters. Protect the chrome strip of the control unit by putting some tape on it. Then move the piece of metal between the overhead control panel and the roof panel. Caution, no deeper than 3 centimeters. Now disconnect the electrical connectors. Next, remove the cover behind the interior mirror. This can be removed quite easily. Continue with the sun visor. Unfold it and pull it from the mount and move it to the side. Now unclip the cover of the bracket and then the hinge. Then squeeze the bracket of the hinge together and remove the sun visor. Do the same with the clip of the bracket. Then undo the edge guard on both sides. Now you can unclip the coat hook. Then remove the screw underneath. Now for the front retaining clip. Undo this and disconnect the connector. For the last steps, get a colleague to help you. Pull the headliner free of the rear retaining clips and then slide it backwards. Installation takes place in the reverse order.